beginning only, we cannot force anybody for vaccination. Okay, only people who are willingly want to take the vaccination, it can give it to them. And they cannot force anybody, it cannot be make it mandatory. When everybody, 90% of people, 95% of people are taking this vaccination, there's no reactions. Why are you scared? You should not be scared. I also encourage people to take. I encourage them. I tell them to take. There is nothing wrong to take vaccination. It is for our own protection, for our wellness. We should take the vaccination, but we cannot force anybody to make it mandatory to take vaccination.